This video clip is just to show briefly how to take care of compounding interest when it's more than just annual interest. And actually you do everything else the same, no matter whether it's present value or future value, except you have to do some calculations with the interest rate and with the number of periods. To demonstrate, we're going to do a present value. We know the future value is going to be $10,000 in 10 years. Interest rate is going to be 5%, compounded quarterly, so it's going to be 4 compounds in a year. What we're going to do, well, we want to find present value, so we're going to go to present value. Rate, we're going to take our interest rate and divide it by the number of compounds per year. Then for the NPER, which is our number of payments, we're going to do our number of years times the number of compounded. Because your NPER is the number of times it's going to be compounded. It's your years times the number of times per year. Whenever you're working with compounding, you divide the interest rate by the same number that you multiply the years by. That's important. They must be the same. And then we know the future value is going to be the $10,000. Now the reason I set it up this way so that we're using the cell identifiers rather than using the figures is, again, if I'm going to do something where I want to play with the numbers to see what's my best deal, what can I do here, there, or whatever, this allows me to make those changes and not have to go through and change the formulas each time. So that's the advantage. You could go in and put 5% times 4, and you could go in and put 10 years times 4, and you just put the numbers in there and it would do the same thing, but it just makes it easier, I think, in the long run. So we click OK, and it gives us the present value of $10,000 that was compounded over 10 years, but it was compounded quarterly at 5% interest rate. Its current value is $6,084.13. I hope that helps with that.